and the customization here and a few other settings.
Hello, you wonderful people. In today's video, I want to talk about MCPs and why I'm so excited. You probably heard of MCPs, you probably use them as a developer, helpful tools that you're able to use in Cursor. But did you know that you could create custom MCPs that allow you to bring functionality of your application inside application like Claude Code? For instance, in my Claude Code instance, I have my connectors. And here I already have 4 different MCPs that I built. And in today's video, I'm going to show you the example project, including share with you the tutorial blog post that will teach you how to get started with MCPs that you could read on your own. And more importantly, I'm going to show you how to set up that project and look at it through code. And later, I'll create a full tutorial. But this way, we could start getting our gears moving and start thinking about MCPs. MCPs allow you to add additional functionality that you literally access in the places where you spend more time. We don't use Google anymore, but we are now a lot of time spending time in Cloud Code, ChatGPT, and so on. I recently had a discussion with Can't See Dots. If you go ahead and search Can't See Dots, Strappy, MCP, you're going to see this interview that I did with him on Strappy's YouTube channel. And what we talked about is how chat is the new interface and how in the future people are going to be more comfortable interacting with your application from within Claude. And that's exactly what I did. I created some MCPs. One is connected to my website, Code in Public, where I'm able to do like useful things that really improve my workflow and interesting things. Before taking a look at the Pokemon Battle MCP, which is going to be our kind of hello world of MCPs, if you will, I want to show you an example of one use case. And so I have a couple of MCPs here. One's called YouTube Transcript, one's called Strappy Content that allows me to use certain tools to interact with my website. So one example could be if I go ahead and let's say go to my Strappy crash course. And I'm going to go ahead and copy the link. And then in Claude, I'm able to say, can you get the transcript script allowing video and paste it? This is going to go ahead and use my YouTube transcript MCP, and it's going to go ahead and get that transcript from me. Notice that now that we have our data, there's different things I could do. And I could also ask what are available in the YouTube MCP. And it's going to show you all the different things you could do. You could fetch transcript, you could list transcript, you could get transcript, you could search transcript, and you could find transcripts, multiple, meaning that you could search certain key terms. And if there's 5 items that match that search, you're going to return all those 5 items. And for now, we're just going to use that Strappy transcript that we got. And what I'm going to say in the current video, can you find a section on how route middlewares work in Strappy? And it's going to, again, based on the context of my question, it's going to search the transcript and it's going to find the sections. And so here you could see that it went ahead and found the discussion on route middlewares in Strappy 5, and it gave me the time codes, including different things. And it gives me the summary. So now I could use something like this. Can you explain their use case? And can you search the web for more context and write a blog post explaining in detail how they work and publish to my website? And this is going to go ahead, use the context of the video I provided. Also, because I'm using Claude, it's going to also go ahead and get additional information. Notice that it's searching the web and it's going to combine the data from my transcript, some of the search details that it came up with, and then it's going to go ahead and create a blog post summarizing the findings and publish it to my website. So here it's taking a look at what are the content types of my Strapi instance, so it knows exactly what to do. And it's going to go ahead and start creating the blog post based on the data that it found in the video and the search that it did. Once it writes the article, knows that it's giving some good code examples and how to do it appropriately. And this again is coming from the data from the video that I provided and the additional research that it did. And notice how once it's all done, it's going to go ahead, finish writing the blog post, and publish it to my website. And notice how I didn't have to